seatbelt fastened whilst the sign is on, and remain seated as movement in the cabin must be limited. We do recommend that you keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you are seated, and if you need to leave your seat, keep the arms clear to allow others to pass by, and take care in opening the overhead lockers in case anything falls out. Toilets are located at each end of the cabin. All are fitted with smoke detectors. Smoking is not permitted on board at any time. This includes e-cigarettes. Please also ensure that no more than 2 people are queuing at the toilets to avoid congestion. Due to COVID, public health authorities recommend frequent hand washing with soap and water. To cover your mouth and nose when sneezing or coughing, and avoid touching your face. We do apply a fine mist of disinfectant to all surfaces in the aircraft cabin, and in case of spillage, advise a member of crew who can provide cleaning wipes. Please do not use your own. As I mentioned during the welcome aboard PA, due to the delay for today's flight, I will be offering you all a complimentary service. This means everyone is entitled to a drink and a snack complimentary. Now please just bear with the crew. When we do complimentary services, it does take a little bit longer. However, we will try, we are going to get through all of you during the flight, but please just be patient. The only thing that unfortunately I can't put complimentary, it won't allow us to through our systems, is any alcohol. So anything from the bar side, any wine, beers or spirits, unfortunately, just will need to be paid for. But apart from that, everyone is entitled to a hot or cold drink and a snack, sweet or savoury, absolutely free. Even if you don't want to have it on board, please feel free to take it off with you. If at any point any of the items we run out of, the crew will try to offer you an alternative. These are the same bars that we left on board yesterday, so they're not fully stocked bars. So unfortunately, it may get to a point where some items may get sold out, but we will try to offer you something. If we can be of any further assistance, please just ask. But for now, just sit back, relax, and let's get back to Bristol.